So I will be working on a slab coffee table with live edges. I got a maple slab from my local woodworking guy, and yeah, can't wait to get started. So here we go. I basically started by cutting off the ends because they weren't straight, and I cut off this little chunk right here because I didn't want to fill it in with resin. I just didn't want to spend that extra money. So here I am right here, just cutting that little chunk off, and I cut it at a 15-degree angle to kind of retain that live edge look. So what you're going to do when you sand it, you're going to start at 40 grit sandpaper and work your way up to 180. And you can even use a chisel if you have some extra bark on there that you need to get off. Before you put on the semi-gloss poly, don't forget to sand out some of the excess material that could be in the nooks and crannies of the wood. Long story short, I'm making this for my girlfriend, and I'm using my laser engraver, T-Laser, to engrave Crafted with Love. So I hope she likes it. Basically, we're starting off with that semi-gloss poly. It takes about 4 hours to dry. After, I'd sand it lightly with 220 sandpaper and then apply again. I did 3 coats on the top and then 1 coat on the bottom because I didn't really care about the bottom. Just make sure you get all those edges. Make sure it's not drying all weird. So this isn't, I guess, a true DIY, but the legs were only about $25. So altogether, this is a $45 project. So instead of spending about $50 at Home Depot on pipes, metal pipes, I just bought hairpin legs off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description, but they're great, and I'm really happy with how they turned out, and I love the style. So what I ended up doing to keep this table level is I used the bottoms they gave me, and I just spread it out with these little things. I just used these to lift the ones that were not level. So yeah, finished it off, came out really nice. I used an extra piece of wood as a coaster for my coffee, and I engraved a little coffee thing on it. And we're done. If you guys like this table, please leave me a like and subscribe. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. Cheers, guys.